Hey, 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 you coming to eat with me today? Today, we have some massiveness going on here. Kind of made the mistake and burnt up. These are stuffed jalapenos and cream cheese and bacon. I got some french fries. I have this double cheeseburger, but it's not a double burger, it's just double cheese on it. And what is this, you're wondering? This is a massive mushroom stuffed with mozzarella cheese. I don't know how this is gonna work on this burger, but yeah, it's hot. I gotta start with my fries. I just put my traditional cheese and ranch and Cajun, or whatever you want to call that, lemon lime. Trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. I didn't expect this mushroom to be this huge. Huh. Whoa. Okay, this burger is already animal size, but I had some leftover animal style sauce. I don't know, y'all. Like, there's no way. I don't know why I eat my burgers like this. I can't. Let's try. Ooh. Okay. Oh, I need a picture of that. I'm gonna take in simultaneous pictures. That sauce is so good. I'm just gonna have to screenshot. Screenshot. Okay. I don't know if that worked, but okay. I have to cut this burger with a knife. Take a bite of this. I'm so upset about. I was looking forward to these stuffed jalapenos with cream cheese wrapped in bacon. Okay, I'm stalling. I'm scared. It's like 2 pounds of burger. Here you go. First bite. Mmm. Mmm. It's really tasty. I just don't know how I'm gonna eat this, y'all. Everything already falling off. Like, what the heck? Ugh. Let's see. Mmm. This is the messiest. Gosh. Y'all. What am I gonna do? I can't even eat it. I can't even eat it. Everything falling off. Try to reconstruct. Let's just eat this. Mmm. Mmm. Okay. I'm just gonna have to eat this. This is so freaking good right here. Oh man, my pickle. Mmm. Mmm. Get some of this burger. That's insane to eat. If the mushroom was a little bit smaller, it would have been good. What the heck? This, can't even eat it. I have to eat it separate. Yeah. Whoa. Found soup. I had to put a stick in there. Keep it together. Look at that. Mm-hmm. I didn't know they had fruit punch Sunkist. This is a really thick patty. I just got lettuce, tomato, pickles, onions, and cheese. A little mustard. And put a little bit more salt. We need some ultra firm buns to deal with this. Oozing. The mushroom was delicious. I'm still upset about these. And of course the fries are a banger. And we're so full. It's still very massive, even without the mushroom. I'm not gonna be able to finish all of this. Just this burger, I can barely eat this last little bit. Excuse me, I'm a solo. Oh, I am done. I am so done. I can't eat another bite. That was like eating 2 burgers at once with that big old. Well, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video of this massive burger eating. I don't know what to call it. Well, don't forget to like this video if you like this video, and comment down below anything that you want to see in the future or anything you want me to cook or whatever. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified when I upload, which is every day till I reach 100K. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.